In this video, we're going to explore the property background position. And the background position is basically helping you to control the position of this into the left, right, top, bottom, center, etc., etc. So you can control this. And this is quite useful, but it's not possible if you have the background size set on cover. So what we're going to do is we're going to get back the initial size of the image. We say background size initial, but make sure that the background repeat is set on no repeat as we did in the previous videos. So save this, and once we save this, you can see now we have our image here. So now let's put in and control. Let's say we have it now by default, it's set on top right, or the top left. And what we want to do is we want maybe on the top right or bottom right, center, left, center, right, or center itself. So let's start and explore how to do this. So we say here, we say the property background dash position, and then in here we can say top, then right in our case. Save this, refresh, and now you can see it starts to move to the right. By default it is set on top left, as you can see here. But if you do a cover, then you will probably notice that there's not really something happening because it's already fully designed here, or it covers fully the entire div. So we need to be initial. This makes sense. All right, so we have top left. So let's say here bottom left. We refresh that, there you are. And if we say here right, we can push it to the very right, there you are. And then if we can put it also to the center, we put it center right, center left, and finally in the center itself we can just put it in center. There you are. So with this you can control more of the positioning of your item or of your image, or more specifically the background image here. And this can be very useful in controlling, and this will eventually be useful for if you're going to use one of the other functions, which I will show in the next video, where we cover this in combination with something else to create a very nice scrolling effect. What's very important here is when you have it always the top, the center, and bottom should be always indicated first, and left and right. So basically it's first you do the vertical positioning, and then you do the left and right, or the horizontal positioning. Very important to remember that. And then for the center, basically you can just remove everything and just by default set it to the center. Save this and refresh, and there you are. We are here back in the center. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.